Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put ChatGPT on your desktop just as I did. See here, for conventionally what we'll do is we'll open any browser, that may be Google Chrome or Edge, and whenever we want to research or ask some help from ChatGPT, we'll browse through ChatGPT website and we'll do our work. Instead, you can just keep ChatGPT on your desktop and use it just like any other app on your Windows. First of all, this is my Windows 11 laptop and this works on Windows 10 laptop too. So I'll be deleting this and I'll again add this app, ChatGPT app, on the desktop. So initially you need to open your Chrome browser, and browse through chatgpt.com, and you can see three dots here. Click on these three dots, and here when you scroll down you will see this option cast, save and share, and here you will see this option install page as app. You need to click on this and confirm. You can give any name, but I am leaving this as ChatGPT only, and click on install. That's it. I'll be closing this. I'll be minimizing this. Right, where is this? ChatGPT. Yeah, this is the app. When I double click on this, this will directly open the ChatGPT. Instead of this as an app, you can also keep ChatGPT as the browser shortcut. How you can do this? This is also very simple. Just open ChatGPT here. Click on these three dots, then click on cast, save and share, and click on create shortcut and create, and choose the destination as desktop. That's it. Close. And now you can see this Chrome shortcut, the ChatGPT shortcut, on your home screen. I hope this will help you. If you feel this is helpful and informative, please do hit a like and share it to others. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.